Welcome once again to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. In this video, I want us to understand example 7 of graphs 9, whereby we are expected to calculate the value of the gradient of the function y is equals to x plus root x at x is equals to 4. Writing this function, we may have y is equals to x plus x raised to power a half, because the square root of x is the same as x raised to power half. And remember, x is equals to 4. So the gradient function of this equation, or of this curve, is dy dx delta x over delta y over delta x. This is x raised to power 1. 1 times 1 is 1. X raised to power 1 minus 1, 0. Plus a half times 1, a half. X raised to power a half minus 1 is minus a half. If we can simplify this further, we're going to have 1 plus a half x raised to power minus a half. And of course, we know, according to the laws of indices, any variable that is raised to an index power is the same as having that variable go to the denominator position, and then we have it raised to a positive power. So we're going to have 1 plus a half times 1 over x raised to power a half. Because this is x raised to power minus a half, when it gets to the denominator, it is x raised to power positive a half. So dy dx becomes 1 plus a half multiplied by 1 over the square root of x, because x raised to power half is the same as the square root of x. But x is equals to 4, so we are having our dy dx being 1 plus a half multiplied by 1 over the root of 4, which we know it is actually 2. So this one continues to give us 1 plus a half multiplied by a half, because the square root of 4 is a half, meaning that our dy dx is 1 plus a half times a half is a quarter. And therefore, the final submission, because this is just adding up the fractions, 1 over 1 plus a quarter, we have dy dx, which is the gradient, 1 and a quarter, or 5 over 4, because 4 times 1, 1, or 4 times 1, 4, plus 1, 5 over 4, and that is it. That is the gradient of that function when x is equals to 0. Thank you. Let us meet in the next video.